welcome back. I'm the Traveling Trader with another video. Today we're going to look over a few cryptocurrencies. We're actually going to add a few new to the list, and I'm going to show you how I'm picking my watch list for the rest of 2023 and the beginning of 2024. So first we're going to head over to CoinMarketCap, and the way I pick my list, if it's not something that if it's not a project that I already follow and I'm looking to add new things to my watch list, this is how I do it. So I head over to CoinMarketCap and I look at the top 100 cryptos by market cap, most talked about, and by price. And I filter them out up here by price, all-time high, all-time low, and what it's done over the last 90 and 60 days. And again, this is the top 100, so mostly all these projects are pretty reputable. And then I'm going to also show you my current watch list. This is where I got them from. There's my favorite project right there, Sheep at number 18 on the list overall by market cap. But a lot of good projects on here. It's just, again, you got to find a project and fall in love with it, and it just has to become your baby in a sense. You want to watch it grow. You want to watch it become profitable over the months and years to come. Do your research. If you're on CoinMarketCap, any of these projects you click on, you can get some more details as to what the project is about specifically. All the wallets that it is accepted on, so on and so forth, the websites, the white papers. For some reason it's okay. I would say for some reason it's not loading the data, but honestly it's just going to be a chart and just some other info. Yeah, just a chart, and then the community of people who also believe in the project you're selected on. Which I don't use this much for that. It's just, again, I like to look at the analytics of the charts. So yeah, and then you can even do a converter. How many sheep is equal to whatever amount. So let's say yeah, it'll just give you the amount. 1 billion sheep is equal to about 700. Is that 1 billion? It might not be 1 billion, sorry. 100 billion is equal to $700. 1 billion is equal to $7,000. So that's just a nice little thing to help out with some of your calculations on how much it is of a project you want to buy. All right, let me show you my watch list, and then we're going to get into the charts. And here's a few projects. A lot of these projects I was watching since 2019, 2020. They have all since then crashed, but as you can see, a lot of them are ready to make rebounds. This is already up 27%. This one's up 50%. If you would have brought Link, like a good buddy of mine, honestly, 2 or 3 months ago, Link right now is $10, but they were $4 just 2 to 4 months ago. Already up a decent amount in the last 90 days. Yeah, the last 3 months, it's already up 50%. You could have made 50% on your money. You could have bought these for $4, $5. They're now worth 11. Good, nice little flip there. And again, these are just the projects I'm following. It's no way in a recommendation for what you should follow. Seller, here's another good one. As you can see, all-time high was about 20 cents, and we're down here almost less than a penny now. So I would imagine that would be a nice little flip to rebound on. The Centralland and Sandbox, two essential projects, I say, in the next 2 to 3 years. Again, price currently 40 cents, 35 cents, all times high, $8, $9. I mean, who doesn't love run-ups like that? And as you can see, last 90 days up 6%. So again, cryptos are ready to pump. You want to find you a project and lock in. All right, this is my watch list. And I'm going to probably be trimming this down, honestly. I won't be investing in all of these. This is just where I start. I start at the top 100. I pick my projects. Maybe, I don't know, I would say maybe there's about 20 projects here. And then I'm going to probably end up with about 5. I don't like to watch, invest, and track more than about 5 to 10 projects at a time. I can't give them the full attention they need to be profitable the way I like them to be profitable. All right. So that's my watch list. CoinMarketCap. Let's get into some charts. First things first, let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Once again, like I said last week, which is funny because we actually went up and touched the point I mentioned last week, which was 35.5. But we quickly got rejected off. So again, I'm not really interested until we can break and hold above 35.5, looking to push closer to that $40 or $40,000 price range on Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and zoom in. This is the day chart. Let's zoom in here, and we're going to tick down to some smaller time frames as well. Day chart. Yeah, we were only able to hold that 35.5 for about 2 candlesticks on the day chart. So if we tick down, it's going to give us a more detailed price action. Let's see. Yeah, we were only, yeah, that was almost like a overnight. Let's see, when did we do that? Yeah, late night, early morning move before quickly getting rejected back down to 34.4. And then if we look on the hour chart, as we can see, we've been close to it, consolidating, was able to break above it, but quickly pushed back into that consolidation period. Again, nothing really to see here until we can hold above that 35.5. If you're looking to get in, maybe this would be a good time. I don't see us coming down to 32 no time soon. So I would look to get in under 35 on Bitcoin. Next up is a Link. Let's see what Chainlink's been doing. This is the hour chart. Let's tick back to the day. As you can see, we are way past this consolidation period of $5 to $8. We have broke out and held above on the day chart for a few days. We just put up a red candlestick. Not even really. We didn't even put up a red candlestick. Yep, look, it just turned green. So we've been holding here closer to that $11 range. This is that place where I would like to say see Link stay. Let's zoom down here to the 4 hour and see what's been going on. Oh yeah, that's what we want to see. We are consolidating right there on that 11.6 mark, getting ready for 12. I don't see us pushing back down here anymore. I would even maybe move that line. Let's set an alert. We're not going to move the line just yet, or I guess we could. Let's move it up to, let's move the line to 9 and move our alert to about 10. That would be a good place to buy. Actually, you know, let's do, I would like to get in and have an average of 9. Under 9 is great. Anything above, you're in profit. We're gonna move this to 9 as well. Good hold on Link. We're looking to push above 11.5 on up to $12 even, and hold above before our next target on link. We can tick down to an hour chart real quick also, and it's just kind of repeating the same sentiment as the 4-hour chart. Let's go ahead and tick over to recently added to the watch list, Mana, the Centralland. I am liking what I am seeing here on the Centralland. I wish I would have caught this earlier, but better late than never. We were down here at the all-time lows of about 26, 28. We have now pushed and held to about closer to 40. So if you would have came here back in early October, you could have already have made 50% on your money. Don't let the small candlesticks fool you. I am actually, I recently just got in, so I got about an average of 39 myself on Centralland, and I am looking to make some profit here, pushing closer to that 50-cent mark on Mana. Can we zoom out here? Let's just get like an overview. Since we just added it to the list, let's zoom back. And again, all-time lows here and here before pushing up. As you can see, all-time lows were just recently made. That is a good sign that we are not going to zero, but in fact we're ready to pump up to our next target moves. The Centralland, I do love it. If you're familiar with Web3, I would say definitely check out the Centralland, the website, and see what they're all about, their currency on their platform. It is a virtual world where you can play around and shop within the Centralland with their token. So I do see them sticking around for the future. I want to see their price in the next year to 2 years, and I guarantee you it should be worth a few dollars, if not more. That is the Centralland. Another new add to the list, we are looking at Seller Network. Let's see what we got here on the charts. I made this chart real simple. We had the some of the all-time lows back here in September at about 0.005. I mean, such a good price to gobble up Seller Network. This was 2020. Let's look at a more recent low. Again, still a more recent low was 209. 209s back in December of 2022 to then have been able to push up to 2 cents. Great play. I'm looking to do it again with those lows reaching that price again of 0.009. I'm looking to push up to about 2 cents again and take some profit off here. We got a few lines marked on here. We're marked at 2 cents, 3 cents, and also 4 cents on Seller Network. That's the day chart. Let's tick down and see what exactly it's been doing over the last few days and weeks. I was a little late on this one too, but I am now watching, so I am ready for profits to be made on Seller Network. And if you go check out their website, it's actually pretty cool, the white paper and the technology behind Seller Network and what they plan on doing in the future. It's not just a opportunity to be profitable. This might also be one of those currencies that change the way we pay and talk in the future. I don't see anything really happening here. I would just be saying this is a good time to grab more. If you're interested in Seller Network, you would just want to be accumulating here, ready for that next push up. What else do we have? We went over Mana, Cellular. Oh, of course, our fave, the crowd fave. Let's go over Sheeb. Not much to see here since my last video when I said we need to hold and break over 8, which we did do. I thought we did that more recently. Oh, okay, no, okay, I see. This line should be brought down a little bit. It should be closer to the 8, which again, we were able to break above 8, but not hold it. So I am looking for either to buy under 8 or hold 8, ready for that next target of about 401. It's going to be our next target. I would even pull this down. Let's pull this down to make it a little more obtainable. Let's go 40105. That is a very attainable place to be. This just happened recently in August of 2023, not that long ago. All right, so anything below 508, I'm looking to buy. Anything above, I'm looking to hold for that next mark, which would be 4010 on Sheeb. And I think that is it for our crypto video. Cellular network, Mana, Link, Bitcoin, and Sheeb on this video. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if there's any assets you're interested in that you want me to cover, drop it in the comments below. And if you are subscribed, I will add it to the list. Thank you.